Most people cook sticky rice wrong and end up with mushy clumps. Here's the exact method to get perfectly fluffy grains every single time. Step 1. Measure 1 cup of sticky rice into a fine mesh strainer. Rinse under cold water for 30 seconds, stirring gently with your fingers until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch that causes gumminess. Step 2. Add the rinsed rice to a medium saucepan with 1½ cups of water. Use a 1 to 1.5 ratio. This is the critical measurement. Stir once, then bring to a boil over medium-high heat uncovered. Step 3. Once boiling, reduce heat to low and cover with a tight-fitting lid. Simmer for exactly 15 minutes without lifting the lid. The trapped steam does the work. Opening it releases moisture and ruins texture. Step 4. Remove from heat and let it rest covered for 5 minutes. Then fluff with a fork, breaking up any clumps gently. The rice will be fluffy, sticky, and perfectly cooked. Pro tip: don't skip the rinsing step. It's the difference between sticky and gluey. Most people rush this and wonder why their rice clumps. What's your go-to sticky rice dish? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more kitchen hacks. Visit Sikho.ai.